Welcome back to our final video of the Home Buyers series. I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group. As we finish out this series, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you can see future videos. Today we're going to talk about your ultimate moving day checklist and tips for a smooth transition into your new home. Moving day can be both exciting and stressful. The key to a successful move is careful planning and organization. In this video, I'll provide you with a complete moving day checklist and valuable tips to ensure your moving day goes as smoothly as possible, from the initial packing to the final settling into your home. Once you've left the inspection period and the appraisal has come in, it's a good time to, at this point, hire professional movers or rent your moving truck. At this point, you're going to want to decide which way you're going to go and start to get that set up. Obtain quotes and make reservations well in advance. Give it your best shot and try to negotiate the price. You're also going to want to set up utilities for your new home and set a stop date for your old home. Once you've set up the movers, at this point now it's going to be time to notify all important parties of your move. Inform your current and your future utility providers, your electricity, your water, your internet, etc., of your move out and move in dates. You're going to want to update your address with your banks, your insurance companies, and the postal service. Then it's going to be time to start gathering and packing supplies. You want to stock up on boxes, packing tape, bubble wrap, packing paper, and markers for labeling your boxes. Next, you're going to work on decluttering and purging at your property. So go through all your belongings and declutter, donate, sell items, or throw them in the trash if that's what you choose to do. You're going to dispose of hazardous waste materials properly. And then next, my least favorite by far in the process is packing. I hate packing. I'd rather move than pack. Don't forget to pack an essentials box. Pack a box with essential items you'll need immediately in your new home, such as toiletries, change of clothes, important documents, of course your phone charging cords, because we can't live without our phones. Make sure you label each box with the contents and the room it belongs to. This makes the move much quicker, as movers can drop the boxes right in the correct rooms, and when you need something, you know which box it's in. And then we're going to get to disassembling large furniture pieces, keeping screws and hardwares. I like to put them in plastic bags myself with a label. You're going to use bubble wrap, packing paper, and padding to protect your fragile items. Right? And once you get all that done, next comes moving day. Confirm the moving day with your movers that you hired, or with your rental truck, so that you don't have any problems with that. Ensure you have all the necessary keys and access codes for the house you're selling and the house you're buying. And then I always like to pack up a snack pack and some drinks for moving day. I prepare a cooler with snacks, water, and energy drinks just to keep everybody refreshed and energized for the day. Once you're done, you want to perform a final walkthrough of your old home and check for any overlooked items. Make sure everything's cleaned out, lock all doors and windows. And then you're gonna get load the moving truck efficiently, placing the heavy items on the bottom and the fragile items on the top. At this point, you want to unload boxes and furniture in their designated rooms that are marked on the boxes. Make sure you check for damage, inspect your belongings for any damage during the transit so you can report it to the moving company. And next, we settle into our new home. Inspect for damage. Once you get there, perform a walkthrough of your new home to check for any pre-existing damage. And then you can get to unpacking all your stuff once you've done that in your house. After you've got everything unpacked, then you're going to get into reassembling the furniture pieces that you disassembled for the move. Start unpacking your boxes room by room, beginning with the essential rooms, your kitchen and your bedrooms and your bathrooms. At this point, you want to make sure your address is updated with the local post office for your employer and for any of your other important organizations. Moving day can be a significant milestone in your life, and with the proper planning and organization, it can be a smooth and stress-free experience. This complete moving day checklist, along with the provided tips, will help ensure that you transition to your new home. Remember to stay flexible and patient, and don't hesitate to ask for help from friends or family if needed. Happy moving. Thanks for sticking with me through the Home Buyer series. I hope you found value out of it somewhere along the lines. Please subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you can see future videos. I look forward to seeing you in my next video series.